Hey guys, how are you? So I had one trade today. It's Monday, April 13th. And yeah, so let's go over that real quick. I'll show you my trade. So I entered the position at 10.06, shorted the 277 call, bought the 279, and collected 54. Closed it at 10.50, so 45 minutes later, and I closed it for 22. So nice winning trade there. Let's go over that. So SPY, let's get the SPY chart here. So we started the morning weak. We moved up in the pre-market all the way up to this 278 handle, which was kind of close to the range of last week. And we knew that that was some resistance. We know we're kind of extended on the weekly time frame. So generally, just a bit of a bearish lean in that regard. Just watching the tape, obviously tape gives the true picture of the order flow. So we had a first leg down, retraced to the moving average, right into a second leg down. And then here we had this sort of range where we bounced off this 274 area, got some buyers to come in here long, and then at this moving average here, 10.06 or whatever, that's when I sold the calls, and my stop would have been right around here, this above 276. And you can see that we continued for a third leg down at that point. These buyers who entered here were now trapped. I'm sure there were more buyers who entered here. Again, trapped. And then we started to just chop around in this sort of range. And again, it looks sort of like a falling wedge where we're seeing a lower low every time with no follow through. So you see first low, bull, second low, bull, third low. This one was like sort of a flush. Now, if you were watching the financial sector at that time, there was a volume climax that did in fact mark the low of the day right now at this point. So keep an eye out for those kinds of things. Yeah, tech is stronger today. Amazon was a lot stronger. Look at that bull on the daily chart. It's just amazing. Anyhow, so I exited at 10.50, so that would have been right here. See that right there? So I would just wanted to be cautious at that point. I wanted to take my profits. I wasn't exactly confident with what I was seeing on the tape. At that point, it was getting more towards mixed territory where buyers were starting to scale in or come in around this general area here. And obviously we saw a shakeout, which resulted in all the bulls coming back in to buy this dip. And now we're just kind of doing it. So I almost caught a fill right here on a bull position, but I just missed it. And it's a bit tricky with credit spreads because you can't get greedy with the fill. You kind of have to limit into the position, but you also can't put your order in a place that is not where it's filling them, you see? So you can't be greedy with your fills in that regard. I was trying to fill a bullish position right here when we saw this two legs down, no follow through, and obviously the bulls bought that dip and they continue to buy dips because now we're in a 5-minute uptrend here. You can see that we're pushing above the VWAP right now. I'm done for the day, and yeah. That was my other trade right there. That second trade I would have taken, but I missed it, obviously. And now, if we weren't in lunchtime, this is generally not a bad area to take a short here around this 274 handle. We're coming up to resistance on the 5-minute chart on the financial sector, and we're coming near to the high of day on the tech sector. So not a bad area, although lunchtime, I'm kind of more skeptical about it. So guys, I wish you a great day. Keep an eye on the markets. Keep an eye on the credit card companies. They were good indications. Watching Visa, very bearish all morning. And when it starts to reverse, the market starts to reverse. So keep an eye on all those stocks. All right, guys. I wish you a good one. Last thing is Microsoft. Look at this one. This 163 handle has just been holding since last week. It cannot break. So we're still in this trading range, guys. The bulls are defending this 163, 164 area. And yeah, until we see a clear break below that, so far the bears are getting no follow through. All right, guys, I wish you a great day. Take care. Bye.